I'm trying to do like a difference with my looks these days, so I don't wear mascara, but I want to attempt to wear mascara right now. Cause what the hell is going on? Y'all, I look so cute right now. Like, can't say it. I don't be wearing lipstick and shit, but I decided to put on lipstick today. Come on, get it. At least I think I look cute. The reality is I may not look cute. Tell me why all my camera batteries are low, so I don't even know if I can record anything for you guys today. I'm sorry, but today is my niece's birthday and I'm about to take her out, you know, real chill. I'm trying like a different look for me because I'm not wearing any eyelashes. I have on pink lip gloss. Like, listen, this is a whole different look for me right now. I'm a whole forehead outside. Like, girl, what are you doing? What is it you're doing? Oh my god. But yeah, I just want to record this intro just in case I do get to record a little bit more things for my niece's birthday. So, peace. I'm gonna show you guys the fits. Let me show you. Oh, what? I got my head so big. Y'all may able to see shit. Let's go. I love this. This is cute. That was a good buy. I spent a lot of money for this, eh? That was not cheap. Alright, so well, we are at Chillaxin now. As I said, it's my niece's birthday, so we're bringing to a Chillaxin. I don't really have much kids thing. It's just like swings, but they have good food, just like Grace Cafe, you know. I think whatever. Yeah, so we'll check you guys back in a jiffy. We are at Chillaxin now. I don't get copyrighted with the music in the background. Hi. Let me show you guys around. Where are the birthday girls? Food time! Yes, food always. Yep. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but outgoing call mommy now. Yes, that was my mistake. We're leaving to go on the beach now. You know, We're at the beach now. I think that is a lot of things.
Everybody back one time.
Not bad. Everybody back going one time. I don't need Kelly shooting this. She come back inside here.
What's on?
She floaty or kind of thing. What do you feel? You coming back here? I can't believe she really just come out of the thing.
The guy is swing there.
You can't tell us what she gonna do?
Yeah, she's going to see on the thing.
Okay, I'll take a just come back so. Here is. We're on the beach now. Nikki's friends could not make it. That's embarrassing.
Like it's a bunch of stuff?
No, I'll leave it in my bag. Tell me what you guys think about my new look. Tell me what you guys think about my new look. Trying something a little different this wrong, like, you know, lip gloss, freaking my hair naturally, like, you know. Not every day is a wig kind of day, but still. Plus, yeah, on hem my pants because it's looking tight around my legs, killing my freaking legs for what reason I don't know. Like, get away from me, bitch. That shit was so tight. I look so pretty. Period. Who you know? Let's go eat something. Oh, my hair is flying and I don't like that. What that man arguing about? No. What I want to leave in the car? Nothing. Oh, what that?
Where's the money?
Outside. She leaving early today. What today is? What time is this? She's leaving early today. So it's sun. Hey, well, of course. That sounds like good time to me. So we need to leave here by 7:30.
Yeah?
We'll leave here about 7:30.
No, we're just going to make it. You mad?
Let me show you guys the outfit. Y'all loving the look? You love the look? Yeah, give them my updates.
Nice.
Okay guys, so we're on the beach right now, but I'm not going to bathe because I feel the water is probably cold and we're not about to be out here feeling cold right now. Cold and looking cute now. Once Nikki find people to be wild with, that is it. That's zero. Like, she don't even study into bed and I bring her on the beach to bed. She just studying that. Oh, now if I could yes, please. Afraid. Alright, thank you. You buy one for me for my birthday? Yeah. October, mommy. Yep, up to October. So mommy says she'll buy a husky for me for my birthday. Thanks to my mother. That's why I love people around me because, like, who is going to buy it for me than my mother? Period. I got some real cute pictures because my mom now have like a 12 Pro, so you know a girl taking like a real picture. Y'all see my fucking collarbone and put on my jersey. We can't take this nonsense. No. Hi guys. I was trying to record, but I wasn't recording for the longest time. That's embarrassing. My God.